Hey everybody, today I am going to show you how to upload a Facebook photo. A lot of people come to me and they ask, hey, I love Facebook, but I don't understand how to upload photos. So we're using an Android phone and we're using the mobile app on here for Facebook. I'll show you how to do it using other devices in later videos. We're going to click Facebook, and over here where it says what's on your mind at the very top there, we're going to click on the little photo. That's going to pull up the photos that are on your device. I'm going to choose one here of Othello. He was chewing on some toys, and I'm going to upload that photo of him, and I'm going to put in a message here where it says say something about this photo. That's where I'm going to type in Othello enjoying his toys, and then just simply hit share. And I'm going to upload this to public and share now. And right here in the middle there, it says posting, and there's our post. It's as simple as that to upload a photo to Facebook. Hope you like this. If you want to see more, follow us at www.onlinetechlessons.com and follow our blog. Thanks. Bye.